Welcome back to Looney Diaries, my beautiful Earthlings. 如果说能够从恐怖电影学到教训的话，那就是你应该随时做好僵尸末日的准备。No one wants to become a zombie, so stick around because we're going to talk about the basics and how to survive the zombie apocalypse. Number 1, stay in shape. There will likely come a time when running for your life is the only option. Whatever the case may be, your chances of survival are definitely greater if you can run. 要是能够持续跑上几英里，那就更有机会存活。Number 2, choose a good hideout. If you're in a big city, it's best to work your way out first. You'll want to escape to the countryside.Find a spot near a river with fresh water you can drink, and start learning how to grow your own food. Number 3, gather supplies. Prepare an emergency kit. Have a list of essential items to take with you. For example, water, non-perishable food, batteries, medication, maps, things like that. Number 4,Pick the right weapon. A gun could run out of ammo fast, and the noise could attract more zombies. Crowbars, on the other hand, are light to swing and fit in belt loops easily if you need both hands free for a moment. It will also come in handy if you need to force open a door to escape. Number 5, surround yourself with trustworthy people.The apocalypse brings out the worst in us. If you're not careful, you might wind up trusting someone who isn't trustworthy. They might just leave you to get bitten by a zombie or kill you in your sleep. 僵尸很可怕，但有了恰当的装备和资讯，就有机会可以在僵尸末日成为幸存者哦。Stay tuned for another episode and join AMC for more English knowledge.